Hey y'all, hey, how y'all doing? I hope everybody is feeling good and great and all that shit. Um, y'all hoes gonna learn about me. Y'all bitches gonna learn about me. Y'all hoes and your bitches and your lame ass niggas, motherfuckers gonna learn about me. Y'all hoes gonna learn about me. Y'all bitches gonna learn about me. Y'all hoes and your bitches and your lame ass niggas, motherfuckers gonna learn about me. Remix. I don't know what you heard about me. Nigga can't get no pussy out of me. These titties, these ass you can't see. Cause I'm a motherfucking PIMP. I don't know what you heard about me. Niggas ain't getting no pussy out of me. These ass, these titties you can't see. Unless you paying me. No, I'm not a hoe, but I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying? I just kind of went with it, like, stop playing with me. Anyway, y'all know how I do it. I just jump right into it. Oh my God, and what y'all already know today is sex. Tip Tuesday. Bitch, sex. Tip Tuesday. Bitch. So look, y'all know how to do it. I just jump right into it. Parents, so I'm gonna go back. Let's just talk about this real quick. You really have to talk to your young girls and your guys too about having morals and values about themselves. We are all sexual beings. Eventually, they are going to have that desire to liking someone and then wanting to be intimate with them. And this is normal, right? Because why? We are all sexual beings. And that's why you have to talk to them about contraceptives, having morals and values about themselves. Also, you have to be able to, you have to teach your children, like, look, you know when somebody like you, when they don't like you. You can feel it. You feel that shit is in here. Like, y'all got to stop ignoring the shit that's in here. All in here. You got to stop here. Like, and so, you know how somebody make you feel like, and let me tell you something. This made me think of something. I remember, because the bitch always had this body. I'm just saying, bitch always had this body. The body has always been bodying, bitch. So I remember being a young teenager, young lady, and I remember like this guy who like were we dating? I don't even know. Like I think these motherfuckers just bold as hell. Are they still crazy like that? I think they are because ain't nobody teaching them nothing. He was like, "Yo, when we gonna have sex? What? Like just come out and just say that? No." We won't be doing that. Like, who the fuck just come out and ask somebody some shit like that? But mind you, I am not the woman that I am today. Like, I was a young girl when this person is saying that to me. And of course, like, I like brushed him off. Didn't actually say no, but like brushed him off because I knew that that's not what I was about to do. And also, by you coming at me like that, that's also not showing me that you care about me in any way or in any form. Like you're not trying to spend no time with me. Like because you feel it in here. You know what I'm saying? And your morals and values have to be high. Because let me tell you something, young people and parents, now I ain't got nothing wrong with being a prostitute. You want to be a prostitute, ain't nothing wrong with that. As an adult, I'm not talking about no child. As an adult who have made a conscious decision, like, look, yo, this is who the fuck I am and I like to do this shit. You definitely have to have some morals and values about yourself because people will come to you at your lowest, when you may be at your lowest, maybe you may be at your lowest spiritually, emotionally, financially, especially financially. That's when a lot of motherfuckers be coming at you like financially. And you a nice little young, handsome young dude, or you a nice young, pretty young thing, little tender. You know what I'm saying? Then you have some man who or woman who has some money and be like proposition you to do this and do that because you may be at your lowest financially, emotionally, or spiritually. These are just a moment that you are in right now. as my mother would always say, this too shall pass. Or no, she didn't say that. She said time heals all wound, and that's a fact. And then you're like, this is just where you are right now. You're not gonna always be there, like right there at that particular moment, physically. I mean, emotionally, spiritually, and financially, because we are forever evolving because you're learning and you want to move forward, right? So that's when these motherfuckers come out. The creeps be coming out. They coming out. You know what I'm saying? Tell you they give you a little $500, to play in your ass, suck your dick, eat your pussy, whatever the fuck they want to do, like nasty, freaky motherfuckers. And when these motherfuckers come up, that's when you have to be like, bitch, no, bitch, no, bitch, no. Don't sell yourself short. We're not doing that. And this is why you as a parent, a guardian, someone who loves a younger person, you should install that in them. Because we have to have these conversations. Let me tell y'all, this is a real story here in the Bronx. This nasty ass motherfucker. Y'all know it's so many nasty motherfuckers. I had read this story. It was a while back. He owns a restaurant on Broadway. And what this man was doing, he was coming to the Bronx, where, low income people live. Not everybody, but I'm just saying. Coming, probably scouting it out, see some young dude, hit him with the da-da-da-da-da. And why this nasty motherfucker took him to a building somewhere in the Bronx on the roof and was fucking the little boys, the young boys. Yeah. So when you guys be talking about some, my job is to keep my daughter off the motherfucking stripper pole, you also, but what about your son? Because he can get proposition too. And ain't nothing wrong with the stripper pole. That's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But what you need to do, like as when she's really, really young, because this also happens in middle school, is that these young girls be sucking dick in the motherfucking staircase. That's what you got to keep your daughter off of. Open up her mouth and let somebody shove a dick in it at school. These are the motherfucking conversations that we have to have. Because it has to be high. It has to be high. And then, I already talked about this yesterday with the Jay-Z thing, with the girl that's supposed to be 13. Like, what is this 13-year-old around some adults? Even if this is a motherfucking career choice, bitch, as a motherfucking parent, you dead motherfucking wrong to just be like, okay, I'm gonna let just because, they can get some financial gain. Now, I don't know if that was the scenario with that situation, but still, even with the Usher shit, he was with, his parents let him go with Puffy, like, Brooke Shields. She was a young girl. She was playing she posed nude. Her mother allowed her to do that shit. She fucking played in a whorehouse and kissed a grown ass man. Like, come on, people. What the fuck y'all doing? Although we know, unfortunately, that these things happen, but nah. Even if she was to play something like, man, I can't, that's not my child. But no. Parents, where your motherfucking morals and values? So, okay, let's talk to you motherfuckers. Your morals and values have to be high also, so you can also tell your children that shit. Because if you a gutter bitch, then you gonna raise a gutter ass fucking kid. And even if that is you should want something better for your children. And ain't nothing wrong with, like, as an adult. If you like to fuck off and go fuck this one and fuck that, as an adult, that's just, and it's consensual by all means. You want to be a prostitute? And I love prostitutes. I'm telling you, all the prostitutes I've met, there's always been like the most sweetest young ladies. The ones that I've met, for real, the ones that secure within themselves. Like, I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? But we definitely have to do that. We have to teach that. We have to to the boys and to the girls too. And also teach your boy how to interact, your young man, how to interact with a female. Just talking, being yourself. And just because you like somebody doesn't mean, and also teach them how to handle rejection. If the little girl says she don't like you, leave her alone. That don't mean you call her a bitch and hit her with a brick or just whatever the fuck. Or be like, bitch, fuck you. You know what I'm saying? Like, just take that shit off, rub that shit off your motherfucking shoulder. Life is about losses, but there's a whole bunch of gain. You just can't take that one little loss and be like, yo, you about to crash out because of that? This is the mentality that we have to teach, and we also have to have like in our minds as well. We have to learn how to control ourselves, and we have to teach each other. So, God damn it, that was the sex tip for the goddamn day. Whew. So anyway, y'all know my name is Rill. I'm an intimacy coach / seductress with the service called Seductive ArT. And on February 8th, I will be having my Seductive ArT workshop this weekend. I'll be working on my flyers and putting it all out so y'all can purchase y'all tickets. Ladies, please come. It's the ultimate motherfucking ladies' night. Your husband is or boyfriend is gonna be like, he when you come back and do the and that, you know what I'm saying? And the knowledge that you gonna have in your head as it relates to sex and human sexual behavior, yo, it's just gonna work out for you and for whoever you with. Or whoever you soon to meet. So I hope to see y'all there. As well as y'all know, I'm an author. The title of my book is called Quickie, Your 7 Short Erotic Stories. Read, Write, Fuck While You Read. As well as I am a designer. Named my brand is Real Nice by Rill. I'll be having some hoodies and crop top tees coming really, really soon. So look out for that. This jacket that I have on right now. Wait, can I turn it around and show you? Yo, ain't this shit fire? This is one of my friends. It's called ArT. I hope y'all can see it because I can't really see. So he takes. I gotta get when he get his shit together. Y'all know once he give me his this shit is fire. Like he does this on this thing. It's fire for real. This motherfucking jacket is fire. So, but anyway, yeah. So we watching out for that, and always support other Black creatives. And if I resonate with you, you know what to do. Please hit that, click that. I would appreciate that. And y'all know how we lead this motherfucker. Be generous, be kind, be patient, be loving, be a great listener, be aware, be focused, be ambitious, be humble, be grateful, be spiritual, be kind, be focused, be confident, be great at what you're great at. Black people, be black and proud. Be about your motherfucking money. Be a part of your community. Just be all these great things. All we talking about is the highway to the most high around here. That's how we move. That's the energy that we giving off out in this world. You understand what I'm saying? And in the midst of you doing all that, don't you ever turn, don't you ever fall, don't you think twice. And that is, you always be you. Because God made you perfect just as you are. And if people don't want to fuck with you, it's fine. All you do is go your separate ways. Until we meet again, y'all have a great night. Peace.